Bakit hindi lahat nabibigyan ng CNA incentive? Good question po ito, friends. Isa ito sa mga employees concern and issue. Sige po, bigyan natin ng good answer ang topic na ito or question na ito. Please watch the full video. Ito na po. Unang-una, ang sagot natin is based sa guidelines or policy ni DPM. So nabasa natin ito sa website ng Department of Budget and Management. And unahin natin, no? Magkano ba ang CNA incentive? Answer, rate of the CNA incentive, 4.2.3. Ayan, nakalagay. In all cases, the CNA incentive shall not exceed 30,000 per qualified employee. So, ibig sabihin, friends, ang maximum amount na ma-receive ng qualified employee is 30,000. Yes, friends, you heard me right, 30,000 po. So, ang makareceive nito is all regular employees. Okay, next slide natin. Ito na yung sagot kung bakit hindi lahat ay nabibigyan ng CNA incentive. Based po kasi sa Budget Circular number 2024-4, ang conditions po ng grant ng CNA incentive. Ayan, nakalagay. Letter A, there should be a valid and subsisting CNA executed between the representatives of the management and the employees organization accredited by the CSC or Civil Service Commission as the sole and exclusive negotiating agent for the purpose of collecting negotiations with the management of a department, line bureau, attached agency, constitutional office, CUC, GOCC, LWD, or LGU. Simple and friends, ang makareceive lang po ng CNA incentive is yung compliant sa number 4.1.1. Obviously, friends, kayo na hindi nakatanggap, hindi kayo compliant nito. Wala kayong valid and subsisting CNA executed between the management and the employees organization. So, wala kayong organization or labor organization sa company ninyo or agency na accredited by the CSC, right? Kaya hindi kayo makatatanggap talaga ng CNA. So, para makatanggap kayo ng CNA incentive, comply 4.1.1. Ayan. Letter B, GOCCs covered by the RA number 10149 should have accomplished by September 30, 2024 at least an average of 75% of all the targets under their respective performance scorecard as agreed upon between the GOCCs, GCG, and the GOCC pursuant to GCG Memorandum Circular number 2024-01 dated June 28, 2024. Ayan po. Dapat pala, friends, pag GOCC kayo, na-accomplish ninyo 75% of all your targets. As well as yung LWDs or local water districts and LGUs, local government units, ayan na, dyan nakalagay, letter C and letter D, dapat compliant din kayo dyan or na-achieve nyo po ang ginahingi ni DBM. Ayan po. Once na hindi kayo compliant sa letter C and letter D, ay hindi talaga kayo makatatanggap yung mga LWDs at saka LGUs. Sa GOCC naman yung letter B. So, congratulations sa mga makatatanggap ng CNA incentive before December 31, 2024. 30,000 po ang ma-receive nila. Congratulations. Yung hindi mabigyan, ayan po ang sagot. Hindi kayo compliant po sa requirement ni DBM. Thank you for watching. Hope na may na-learn tayo about CNA incentive. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.